Step 1 is defining objectives and the scope for your project. You need to know exactly what you're working towards so that you can measure success. The second part is making sure that your end users get what they need. Otherwise, you're going to spend time and money on a project and you won't have the adoption that you need for that project. Step 2 is select the right SAP BTP tools for your solution. BTP is vast. There are a lot of services and there are a lot of tools and solutions and things that you can use, and you need to make sure that you pick the right combination. As an example, you can adopt the integration suite if you need to create integrations for your business. The integration suite might be overkill for what you're doing. So if you only have 2 or 3 integrations, you might be better off to just write web services that do those integrations for you rather than using the integration suite. So it's very important to understand the tools, what they cost, and how you should use it to optimize it for your business. Step 3 would be designing the architecture for your solution. You need to make sure that all the systems are in place and the data can flow between these systems in a very secure way. You want to make sure before you start the project that all of those things are in place, that you don't run into any blockers halfway through the project. Step 4 is build and test iteratively. You want to see the return on your investment sooner rather than later. So if you deploy the critical features first and later introducing the nice to haves, would make sure that you get user feedback and you can build that into your system as you develop it and test it. The last step in our blueprint is to monitor and optimize. You want to deploy the solution and have users use it. You want to make sure that they are actually using it and also that it is running in an optimal and secure way. And there are built-in tools in BTP that you can use for that.